Question 6. A pattern is made from 4 identical squares. The sides of the squares are parallel to the axis. And then it tells me here the coordinates I've already given, and I have to work out the coordinate of C. So there's the coordinate of C. I've got to work out those coordinates. There are 5 marks to this question, so it's certainly worth showing all your workings to give the examiner as much chance as possible to give you a mark. Now the first mark can be achieved in 2 ways. You have to show the examiner that you understand you've either got to work out the height or the width of the diagram. So the height is controlled by the y coordinates. So I'm going to do 36 take away 7. Simply writing down 36 take 7 should pick you up a mark. And if you write the answer of 29, that will definitely pick you up a mark. Similarly, if I look at the change in the x coordinates, and I've got 38 take 6, which is 32, that would also get you the first mark. You don't get 2 marks, you get 1 mark for getting one or the other correct. So, if the change in x from 38 down to 6 is 32 units, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, 32 divided by 4 is 8. I've got my second mark. So each length of the base of the square here will be 8. So to get the x coordinate of C, I have to do 6 plus 8 plus 8, which is obviously 22, and I have the x coordinate of C. And I have the third mark. Now the fourth mark is a little trickier to get, but you have to understand if the length of a square is 8, then the height is also going to be 8. So all these lengths and heights are 8. And this cross here isn't at the top or the bottom of this square, and I can't estimate it by saying, oh, it's 2/3 down, but it is at the bottom of this square here. So the y coordinate here will be the same as the y coordinate we want, because the question says the sides of the square are parallel to the axis. So this black dot here has the y coordinate that we want. So the y coordinate I want is 36 take 8 take 8. So it's 36, this is the y coordinate, take 8 take 8. That's exactly what I need. And that will give me 20. And there is my fourth mark. And my fifth and final mark is for writing the answers nice and clearly for the examiner.